There is a potential source of income that many people do not even know exist. And those that do know about this are somehow confused by the mythology and confusion surrounding this. This can be one of the most lucrative investments you make, both with your time and your money. With just a few hours a week, you can a few $100s, and slowly grow those $100 into a sizable nest egg that you can use for whatever you want. Of course, with anything that promises to take a few $100s and turning it into a few thousand, or even a few $100,000, there are certain risks. But once those risks are understood, and strategies are taken to protect against them, turning that few hundred into a few thousand is a lot easier than most people realize. I'm talking, of course, about the Forex markets. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global currency markets. Dollars for euros, euros for yen, yen for francs, the flow of money is astounding. And with the explosion of the internet and all the information it can provide, there has never been a time like now to study new ways to powerfully increase your wealth. Despite all the hype you'll read on the internet about turning 35 cents into $27 billion by using a trading robot while you are watching episodes of Lost, if you go in with only a desire to make money quickly and easily, you'll likely get burned. Trust me, I know. When I first tried my hand at futures, I had big dreams of striking it rich, and telling my boss what's what. As I watched my $10,000 quickly evaporate, I knew I might have bitten off a bit more than I could chew. Luckily, after learning from my mistakes, and reading up on the subject, I later figured out a strategy to make a profit on a consistent basis. Because everybody has different temperaments and comfortable levels of stress, there is no one-size-fits-all trading strategy. The key is to understand the markets, how they work, and develop a consistent stop-loss and take-profit strategy. I personally use an 8% stop-loss, meaning that any time I'm down more than 8% on any position, for any reason, I get out, and get out quickly. This, of course, can lead to a string of small losses, but if you stick with this, and choose your positions wisely, you'll eventually make a big profit that will more than make up for your string of small losses. On the flip side, it pays to develop a profit-making strategy. I've heard of several investors to take profits automatically, without question, when they reach a 30 or 40% profit. Others hold out for 50 or even 100%. Realize that the higher profit you are shooting for on each trade, the longer string of small losses you can tolerate. When you choose a solid trading strategy, coupled with the right trading platform, it becomes very difficult not to make a consistent profit over time. And when you get into Forex trading with a long-term, specific financial goal in mind, your likelihood of success increases even more. Taking the first step is sometimes the hardest for some. Because you can imagine what it will be like when you become successful, you can take advantage of this opportunity. There is also another way of earning without lifting a finger. You find someone or a service that has verified track record and they will trade for you for a fee. So you could choose to do both, trade yourself and leverage the power of multiple mindsets. In that way, you are diversifying your investment. Under this video you will find a service that I use. The signals are verified by my fxbook.com, and they are automatic trade in your account, but you still have full control over your own account. I hope that you have received the insight that will help you to become financially independent. Best of luck.